Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and we have two broken tractors to fix. My papa was feeding bison when it was 14 below zero, and we had summer diesel in, and we should have had winter diesel in because the summer diesel clogged up the filters in both of the tractors, and now we have to fix them. First problem, the hood is frozen shut.
You pulling?
Yep. I'm pulling it.
Hang on.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to bring Grace on this side. Got it? Okay. There she goes. Oofed.
There it is. Now hopefully somebody has one.
Hey Earl, I'm trying to cross-reference a Kubota tractor fuel filter and see if you guys have a corresponding one in there.
We can't get a diesel filter, but we have not tried seeing if it runs, so we'll try that next. It started, but we're now warming up. So it looks like it started well, but we still have to drive around to make sure that it won't stop. Well, because we can't find any fuel filters, we're gonna have to wait till Monday. But it looks like this tractor is working, so I think if we need a feed or do anything with the tractor, we will be okay. But just to be good for the winter, we will get a new fuel filter. Hey guys, welcome to a big rolling track from Papa Tractor. Hi guys, and today's part 2 fixing tractors like Mara said. And so when we went to our cousin's house, we got the new filters. So these are the 3 filters that we have to use. So we're gonna put them in the tractor. Oh.
Now let go. Just pull it all the way.
So the bucket's all the way up, so we can open up the hood.
There we go.
And stop.
You can stop.
That hurt.
Remember, we need the fuel filter that looks like this, okay?
Well, we should have fallen in the snow. It's very hard to get up. I know that. So have to be careful. This? Oh. Now I can get it. This? Got it. Got it.
Here's winter diesel. Don't get this on your clothes.
Okay. I'll just lay it back.
There we go.
Daddy, I give up.
That's one, Mary Beth. How many are on this tractor?
3. Yeah.
Can you bring the filter and the big pliers, please?
Yep. heavy.
Thank you. Can you open that for me?
I just go in the tractor because I won't put any buttons.
You won't press any buttons.
Yeah, I won't. I could go
Oh, I thought this one.
Yeah.
It's got some gunk in it and some filth down here. Can you see it?
Yeah.
So let's get a new one of those in there too. What do you think? The chunks in there too. See them in there?
Kind of not. Oh yeah.
You see them?
Mhm.
Floating around in there. It's good to get rid of all that too. See?
Ew.
We don't want those in the front. Mary Beth, will you bring the last filter over, please?
Kind of cool. Oh, it's gonna be hard to get out of the wrapper. I don't even know where to lift it. Oh, there. That. Finally. Ah! At least it didn't fall in the snow like Daddy said. Go. I got Papa Tito ready, but it's okay.
Almost. All right.
Lots of grease, kind of.
That's diesel coming out of there. Yeah.
I thought it was grease. That's your dirty wrapper.
Come on, Kubota. How am I supposed to
These
get
things are
this
gonna
out?
be really, really diesel.
Oh, if I can get these out of the way. Yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to get this drop when I got that stuff sitting in the way.
You got it. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
See the filter in there?
Yeah, you
I don't want to
can.
break it.
There's lots of deal.
Mary Beth, can you go get me the Phillips screwdriver? That isn't gonna work. Never done this one before, can you tell?
Yeah. It seems it's not as easy as it looks.
Oh yeah? Not as hard as I make it look either. How many filters did we say there was, Mary Beth?
3.
How many did we put on now?
3. Well,
So are we done?
almost. Daddy has to finish it. Now we have to turn the key for 30 seconds.
Go ahead.
1,
There you go. Now count to 30.
1, 2, 3,
Can you count to 30?
4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 6, 4, 7. 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready, set, go.
Count to 30.
Oh, you did. 2. Oh, you
Nice
did.
enough.
Oh, you 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 29, 30. Now off for 15. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, get that. 10, 11. Dad, do I need to get the back of that?
If you can.
I don't think it's a brush should sit back there with all these cords. We have to turn the keys on and off because we gotta fill up the filters with fuel. 27, 28, 29, 30! Now that she's primed, we're gonna see if she starts.
What do you think, B?
Good.
Here you go.
This one's done, so let's go fix the other one. Look at that one!
Whoa, look at that one.
We decided to drive around a little bit and warm up our feet. Now we have to do my daddy's tractor, which is only has 2 filters, and it's parked in the barn. Kind of heavy. This has 2 fuel filters.
Mary Beth, do you want to grab me the filter wrench, please?
So that's how you use it. Wonder how you use every single tool. Yeah.
How's that one look, B? Not quite as bad, huh?
Yeah.
Still a little dirty at the bottom, though.
Yeah.
And on the side of those little cracks.
Yeah, so we definitely needed to switch it. Go ahead and drop that in there. There we go. Put that back on. There we go.
Now you have to go prime it. Thank you. Now that she's all primed, now we gotta see if she starts.
All right, let go.
So you guys, we got all the tractors fixed. So remember to subscribe while you're down there. Give us a huge thumbs up. And remember to hit that bell so you get notified when new videos come out. Bye guys! Bye guys!